The 3 types of orgasms that will get her addicted. Now, orgasms are a critical aspect of sexual pleasure for both men and women. For women, reaching an orgasm can lead to increased sexual satisfaction, improved emotional well-being, and stronger bonds with their partners. In this video, I'm going to explore on 3 types of orgasm that can make a woman addicted to sexual pleasure among women. Now, orgasm number 1 is clitoral orgasm. The clitoris is a highly sensitive area located at the top of the vulva, responsible for the majority of female sexual pleasure. Now, a clitoral orgasm occurs when the clitoris is stimulated directly, either through touch, vibration, or other forms of stimulation. The importance of the clitoris, the different ways of stimulating it, and the benefit of focusing on this area during sexual encounters must be taken seriously by every guy as far as orgasm is concerned. Now let's look at the orgasm number 2. Now, orgasm number 2 is the G-spot orgasm. The G-spot or the Grafenberg spot is a small sensitive area located within the vagina, approximately 2 inches on the anterior of the front wall. Stimulation of the G-spot can lead to powerful full body orgasm for women, often accompanied by increased sexual arousal and vaginal lubrication. The location and the identification of G-spot, the different techniques for stimulating it, and the unique sensation it can produce is very, very important that every guy who is so much concerned about his partner's orgasm or female orgasm types are concerned should take it very, very serious. Now, orgasm number 3 is blended orgasm. Now, a blended orgasm is a combination of clitoral and G-spot orgasm, resulting in a more intense and satisfying experience for women. This type of orgasm is the techniques for simultaneously stimulating the clitoris and the G-spot, and the potential for improved sexual satisfaction through this unique combination. Now, finally, understanding and mastering these 3 types of orgasm can significantly enhance a woman's sexual pleasure and satisfaction, leading to a more fulfilling and enjoyable experience for both partners by learning about these orgasms and incorporating them into your sexual repertoire. You can help create a more satisfying and pleasurable experience for your partner. Ultimately, strengthen your connection and deepen your relationship, connection and deepen your relationship. And finally, this is how I end this video. I hope you have learned something new in this video. My name is once again Otto Pioneer here. This is Otto Pioneer TV. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment, and see you in my next video.